day, class. Don't forget that we are still on electric charges and we still want to solve more questions as it relates to electric charges. Look at the question on the board. So when charging an insulated conductor by induction, the following steps are usually taken. Bring a charged body near to the conductor. Remove the charged body. Touch the conductor with a finger. Remove the finger. Question answer says, what is the correct sequence in this activity? And we have the options. Charging by induction. Let's see the step. Let me explain now. For you to charge a body by induction, what you do is that you will bring a charged body near to the conductor. The next thing is that you will touch the conductor with a finger. That's 3. And remove the finger. And lastly, remove the charged body. That is our option B. This information is very, very vital for students preparing for SSC or WAEC or Jamb. This information must go viral. As parents or what, the best thing you can do right now is to share it across to them, or let them visit my page and learn questions and solutions like this. Hope you are getting something in this video. See you in my next video. Bye.